Okay, so Afrobeats level 3, recording a triadic melody. So we're going to go to MIDI instruments, and we're going to pick a melodic instrument. So you could go for a synth sound or a keyboard sound, any tuned percussion sound, anything that can play a melody. I'm going to go for maybe let me go for a synth sound. Let's go for keyboards, synth leads maybe. Let's go for that future pop stab. Okay, so let's set up our project first. 120. Yeah, we can go for 120. I might slow it down a little bit just to make my recording easier. I can always speed up later. So for a triadic melody, we want to stick to the notes of a chord, and I recommend using C. So we want to use C, E, and G. And we kind of want maybe a 1-bar riff that just uses those 3 notes. They don't have to use them in order, so it could be like... Or you could do something like... Okay, something that uses those 3 notes. So I'm just going to record something, and then that's level 3 done. 1, 2. Okay, I forgot to put my counting in. Count in 1 bar, please. Okay, let's do that again. Here we go. Back to the beginning, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't like that. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to delete that. Because another thing I think I forgot to do. Yeah, so my green is on. Make sure input quantization is on. And let's do that one more time. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Okay. There we go. Have a listen. Cool. Yeah, it's not exactly what I did, but I'm happy with that anyway. Make that just 1 bar long and then loop it. And you can loop it a few times. And let's have a listen to it now without the metronome. Cool, that's level 3 done.